Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the kiss spray in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and the lip is actually very easy to draw. So we're gonna draw in kind of the opening area first. We're just gonna draw one little curve here. Okay, and then in the middle here, we're gonna come up. You can make yourself a little point. And then we're just gonna draw almost like a V shape. Okay, so that's gonna be the upper lip. So now from here, we're just gonna take this one and curve it and go all the way out here. So we're gonna curve down, just kind of swoop it back up slightly. And then on the other side, it's gonna be the same. So I'm gonna curve down, nice big curve, and just kind of flatten it out, hook it back up slightly. Okay, so then once you have that, we're gonna start from here, and we're just gonna go all the way to the corner here. So we're just gonna come down, give a nice curve. Okay, and the same thing on this side. Come down, nice big curve all the way to the corner. All right, so it's a little bit tricky, but not too bad, right? So now for the lower lip, we're gonna come down the middle again. Just come down slightly. You can make a little dot. Okay, and then we're gonna curve up slightly, just kind of go all the way to the side here, just so curve up till you meet up to the upper lip there. Okay, so once you have that, from the middle again, we're gonna come down. Okay, you make a little point, and then now we're just gonna have one nice curve all the way to here. So we're gonna dip down slightly and just kind of curve it back up. Same thing here, we're gonna dip down slightly, just curve it up. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the lip, and now we can add in some of the drippings from the spray paint. So we're gonna add in just some paint here, dripping down. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, just as long as you have some of these drips, and they'll look like paint. And I'm actually gonna make, yeah, since it's easy enough with the Sharpie, I'm just gonna make the edges a little bit thicker. Since this is a pretty easy drawing. So go all the way around. Maybe even something here. Okay, so from here now we can draw the bricks, so it's gonna be really easy. So we're gonna start out, let's start out right around here. So I'm just gonna go straight out, across. I'm gonna try to continue that line. And then right around here. And then I'm just gonna go up. Okay, and then I'm gonna go all the way across. So it's just gonna be one long section. And then now for this one here, we're gonna start here, so a little bit in. And we're just gonna come across. And we're gonna go past that. Okay, so then from here, we're gonna just go out until you meet up to that one, and then we'll just close that off. All right, so now we have two sections, and we're just gonna repeat them. So down here, we're gonna continue this line. Okay, now we're just gonna go all the way across. And we're gonna stop right around here. So I'm gonna continue this. Okay, so we're gonna draw one more of this. So we're gonna come down here. And we can start up here if we want. Come out, come down, and all the way across. And now I'm gonna draw in one smaller one at the top here. So just one long rectangle. And then another one I'm gonna draw down here. Okay, now to make it look three-dimensional is actually really easy, right? You see my other ones. So from this corner here, I'm just gonna give it a slight slant. And then once you come down, then just go down straight. So the next one here on the corner, again, slant down, and you can actually draw a bunch of these little slants first. So like on this corner, slant down. And then now this is gonna be vertical, just connect that. This is gonna be horizontal, vertical. On the next one here, slant, slant. And we can let's just go ahead and connect that. Slant, slant, just draw the same slant, horizontal, vertical. And then on this side here, same thing here, slant, and then horizontal line. Okay, and let's finish up this one here. So slant, vertical, slant, and then horizontal right here, slant, horizontal line, and one more down here. And then finally, we're just gonna divide up the bricks a little bit. So we're just gonna divide this whole section into 3. So that means we're gonna draw in 2 lines. Okay, and then let's see, we probably can't see this one here. So this one we can see, we're gonna continue this line here. And then on the bottom one here, we just divide it up again. And that is it for this kiss spray in Fortnite. So hope you guys liked the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and I will see you next time.